Hello, I'm going to teach you today how to use TempleOS and your computer to pray. So, you have to think about what does it mean to pray, right? Praying means to ask God, so let's ask God something. I like to make an offering to God before I talk to Him. And you could do offerings in different ways. In Solomon's temple, they would sacrifice animals. You could run this program and sacrifice one of these bulls and that'd be fine. But there's a reason that God knocked down all those chickens. He was tired of chickens. It used to mean something to people, but then he got bored of it. Wouldn't you get bored if people just kept killing chickens in front of you? Now, if that chicken meant a lot to you, maybe, it's a little more interesting to God. But let's give God something a little more interesting, huh? Let's make him a piece of art. I'm gonna just draw something nice. I don't know. Just a quick drawing. I remember when Daniel was sick, father of Solomon, and a woman was just yelling at him in the bed. He was like dying in the bed, and the lady just kept yelling at him because she wanted Solomon to be king. And I thought that was kind of funny. So here's a quick drawing of that. She's yelling. I gotta make her look like a girl, right? Well, where's the color? Here we are. Get some yellow hair. There we go. There's a lady yelling at Daniel. What is she yelling at him? There she goes. Alright. That's my offering. So God likes art. He likes you to learn something. Check out some programming on here. And here's how you can talk to God. Ready? That's the offering. You could put your question in quotes. Let's ask him. Let's ask for one word. But you could ask him whatever question you want. But let's see. What do you think of this video? Press enter and press F7. One word, God. What do you got? Honestly? Suspicious. Yeah, it is pretty weird, huh? Yeah, I would agree. Well, that's how you pray. Take care now.